One organization is gearing up for its annual fundraiser for ALS.
It's time for the 2026 Blackwoods Blizzard Tour, and over $1 million has already been raised this year. And to tell us a little more is Northern News Now's Hannah Morgan, who's in studio, who actually spoke to some organizers to see what they're looking forward to most this year. Hannah.
Yes, I did. Good morning, Madison and Sydney. For those who don't know, the Blackwoods Blizzard Tour is an event where hundreds of snowmobile riders take a 3-day journey through the Northland Trails to raise money for ALS, which is a progressive disease that affects nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord. And this evening, the event kicks off with the reception over at Blackwoods Casino Resort, and tomorrow morning, riders begin their 3-day journey departing for Lake Vermilion. And then on Friday morning, they ride the North Shore and then return back to Black Bear Casino Resort. And it's a fundraising event for a group called Never Surrender. And organizers say that the event brings in people from all over, including one rider from Missouri. And all the funds raised stay within the community.
Out on the trails when you're riding, it's a lot of fun. It gives you some time to reflect about, why we ride and who we're helping, and we're truly making a difference in the lives of people touched with ALS.
And for those who want to help support the cause, there will be a celebration dinner on Saturday, which the community is invited to. There will be a social hour, a dinner, a silent auction, and even live music. Reservations are now being taken. Reporting live in studio, I'm Hannah Morgan, Northern News Now.